If you have ever felt overwhelmed trying to set up your automations, funnel, or client workflows in GoHighLevel, you are not alone. It's an incredibly powerful platform, but the number of the features can feel overwhelmed at first. That's where templates and the snapshots comes in. So it helps you to using the ready-made and done for you workflows that saves you hours of setup time. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel, the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses to get started the GoHighLevel. So check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. First of all, what are the templates and the snapshot? Think of it as like the pre-built system for your business. Templates are ready-made pages, email, and the automation sequence that you can use as is or customize. Snapshots are the entire setup that includes everything: the pipeline, campaigns, funnel, email, and the automations, which you can import directly into your GoHighLevel account. Instead of starting from scratch, you can get a full functional system in just a minute. One of the biggest advantages here is the time saving. Normally, building a funnel, connecting an automations, and designing emails could take hours of time. But with snapshots, you import a complete setup tailored for agencies, coaches, the fitness, and the business, or even the e-commerce clients, and it's ready to go. You can tweak it to match your brand, but most of the heavy lifting are already done here. Next up is the workflow efficiency. These templates are not just aesthetic, they are tested this sequence designed to convert lead, nurture the client, and automate the repetitive task. For example, a snapshot might include like automated lead follow-up, the appointment confirmations, upsell or the cross-sell sequence, or a client onboarding emails. So this means you don't have to guess the work like what is happening next. Now these workflows have been built for the actual results. Another major benefit is customization and the flexibility. Even though these are pre-made, you can edit every part of them and you can just copy the like pipeline stages, automations, and the page design. So it's not just a template you are stuck with, it's a foundation to build a system. Now let's talk about the sustainability. Templates and the snapshots are perfect for busy agency owner, coaches, or entrepreneurs who want to leverage their GoHighLevel's power without spending days to learning every feature. It's also great if you manage multiple clients and need the repeatable systems that can be deployed quickly. Pricing wise, these features come included with GoHighLevel plan, so you don't have to pay extra. Considering the time and the headaches they save, the value is huge. Now the only verdict is if you want to hit the ground running with GoHighLevel, then template and the snapshots are a must use. They streamline setup, saving time and give you the professionalism tested workflow that just work. Now whether you are new to the platform or scaling the multiple clients or accounts, these tools make your life so much easier. And as always, if you want to try it yourself, then you can check the link from the description to get this special offer and some exclusive bonuses on GoHighLevel. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.